Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to fix unoriginal content on TikTok. So let's get started. At first let's get into TikTok app, and if you have any content strike for being it unoriginal, make sure you have the original content. And if even after having the original content we get that strike, we need to simply go to our profile icon in the bottom right corner and click on the three-lined icon on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down to report a problem. Over here we need to simply click on creation option and click on others. Now let's click on other, and we need to simply click on need more help and make sure you simply screenshot your problem, that is when it shows that it is unoriginal content. Let's click on need more help and we get into TikTok help text. So yeah, here now we need to simply enter our problem, that is we are getting the strike due to unoriginal content strike even after having the original content. So after writing your proper message, simply click on this send icon over here on the right and we are done. Now TikTok help desk will finally address your problem and fix it if your content is original. So that is all, and if you actually have the copied content or unoriginal content, you need to simply delete it. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.